Hi everybody and welcome to the back of my van. This is where I haul all my junk and it has the long wheelbase, so it can fit pretty long things. But every now and then you need to move even longer things, and the best place for that? The roof. But I would need some kind of roof rack. But instead of paying $1,000 for a roof rack, I decided to make my own. And I ended up spending less than $100. Let me show you how I did it.
The van already has tapped mounting holes in the roof. We will use them to attach our 4 roof rack bars. This is a render of a roof rack bar. It's made out of 2 main components, the horizontal bar and 2 vertical feet. A foot consists of 3 parts, the base, the leg and a triangular support. The leg and support are made out of 20mm square tubing with a thickness of 1.5mm. And the base is made out of 20 by 4mm flat iron. I used this piece of rubber mat to protect the paint of the roof. To avoid having the tubes rusting from the inside because of moisture entering them, I make a little end cap to seal them off. For a finish, I'm using a knockoff Hammerite paint. I will mount these bars on the roof with stainless steel screws and lock washers.
I'm super happy with how these turned out. And the price tag of under $100, that is just unbeatable. If I were to do anything different, I would have chosen a different paint. This paint is too soft and kind of scrubs and peels off. Other than that, these are working great. If you want to see more van projects or motorcycle projects, because I do a lot of those as well, maybe consider subscribing. And if you like to haul long junk on your roof, maybe leave a like as well. Thank you for watching and I'll see you later. Bye!